Hello, this is another video for my Khan Academy talent search submission. If you're not familiar with what I'm in, I'm going to explain it right now. We're going to be programming today. We're going to learn simple Java programming. If you don't know what that is, that's okay. I'll explain it in a minute. So, today I'm going to teach you how to program something. Programming is writing down code code. So let's say code. Code is specific words or phrases that represent something in a computer program. Now, what runs this code, you ask? There's this little great thing that we have on our computers, every one of us, called a compiler. Compilers are essentially, can't spell, translators. See, computers, they have their own language. It's called binary code. Binary code is code that is all zeros and ones. It's called binary because binary means two. Well, bi means two, and it's a prefix. So, and nary has bi in it, so two numbers, 0 and 1. And there's computer programming languages. So programming languages are easier ways to write binary code. Oh, there are languages that make it easier. Sorry about that. And these compilers, they're very important. So there's Java compilers, which we're going to be using, and C++ compilers. That's another programming language. Python compilers, R compilers, C compilers. There's a bunch of programming languages. Just look up a whole list of programming languages. There's like a million. Not a million, but you know what I mean. Google.com/search/define plus hyperbole. So in compilers, translate a programming language into binary. That's simpler. That's simpler. That's a simple programming summary. And programming languages, they also contain code and that's what most people write when they code. So that's our simple summary. Now let's get started. This program here is called Eclipse. So Eclipse, let's go to eclipse.org on Firefox or whatever browser you have. Let's click download. Eclipse IDE for Java developers. It should show up your OS. But if it doesn't, I'm obviously on Mac, so it showed that. Just click this little button and it should show the main operating systems. If you don't have it, if you don't have one of these, some other one like, I don't know, just look for another IDE, which is what I should tell you what an IDE is. So IDEs are code writers. These are our notes. So let's just click that. My operating system. And you're going to click this. So it should download this. Or whatever you had for your operating system. I'm going to click cancel since I already have Eclipse. Now I'm going to go to my downloads and look up Eclipse Luna downloads. Or let's just look up Eclipse. Wherever it is. Should be a folder called Eclipse. I don't know where it is. And inside, you should see a program. I don't have it there, but I probably have it somewhere. Okay, you should see a program with this symbol, but it shouldn't be called Eclipse alias. It should just be called Eclipse. And it should have that symbol. So double click that program. And you should see a welcome screen, and there should be a little X. So click that X, and you should be here. And you can click the X's on anything, like maybe there should be an outline tab here. So click the X on that if you don't want it. I don't want that, but you need this. So inside of this, the Package Explorer, right click, New Java Project. So let's put in the project name, first program. So we're going to be making our first program. So right click source or SRC when you open that and right click new Java class. Right here it should say which method stubs would you like to create. Click public static void main string array args or string curly braces, or not curly braces, square braces. It's called array when you see that. So for the name, let's put first class. And you delete that. You should see this. This, inside of these curly braces, is where all your code starts. So, all we're going to do today is have variables and print them out in here. So let's have, there's 3 basic things. There's an integer, which is called int, string, which is text, and double, which is decimals. So int I is equal to 10. We can do, to print them out, you have to put all this in the main thingy. So let's say system dot out dot print ln I. Now click this green run button, click OK, and down here you should see 10 because it's referring to this int I. You can also just do quotes, hello, and it will say hello. You could also just put 10 and it'll print 10. But since we're putting in I, it says, oh, I, that's 10. So we'll print out 10. And so then there's string. String S equals quotes, because this, we need to have quotes here, because it won't work if we don't, because it's not really text, it's just a value inside of quotes. So let's say Khan Academy is the best, because this is a Khan Academy submission. So I'm trying to make them like me. So let's put S there, because it's representing this, and it'll print out Khan Academy is the best. And last, we're going to have double D is equal to 10.5. We can have decimals here because it's a double, but if we put 10.5 here, it'll give us an error saying cannot convert from double to int because it's not a double, so we can't convert it. And let's print out D. And it'll print out 10.5. So that's it for right now. Goodbye.